Man, I can't get this right now. I tried doing it earlier and I was burning my leg with the cage, with the rope, the whatchamacallits there. He's the player. He likes to do the catching. We're doing this. These rocks are actually hot that I'm doing. It's a hot day here. It is a hot day here at Finger Lakes, New York. Penn, hot day. See, he's got a stash up there. He won't bring them to me. He puts them in a stash, and I can't do anything about it. He's digging something there. What are you doing, Jazz? I know. I got you very limited with the way I've got these. But I can't throw a rock when I got both hands busy. He's not interested in a rock now. They got some kind of critter underneath there. We got some cats underneath the house. She laid a bunch of kittens, and they're still there, but they're keeping the mice away. We haven't got any mice in the house, so we're not shooing them away. And we throw enough scraps out over there. They eat pretty good. Just cleaned the refrigerator out this morning with, leftovers and all that stuff. Oh, there was a ton of it. My brother, he cooks, not for two people. He cooks something. I mean, you can feed a mess hall, an army mess hall, with the amounts. And we don't eat that much of it. We throw most of it away. Or the dogs get it. They're just laying on it. It is hotter than heck here today. It's got to be in the 90s in Fahrenheit. It is. It's in the 90s. 92 degrees. I wonder what the real feel is. The sun is just absorbing me, and I've got a dark shirt on. I gotta go in and switch this shirt to an. I got tons of them. Black, gray, blue. I buy them, and he's going after the dirt he's shooing out. See, if there's something moving, Champion goes for it. And Tsunami is digging up, trying to get in there to the cats. And see, as he's doing that, Champion is going after the things that are moving. So I don't have to throw a stone. And Jazz is just up there just chilling. She's just chilling in the shade. Now Tsunami's coming out here. And Champion's going up there to dig. They're taking turns. Trying to dig in underneath that pile of rubbish. My brother has it for some reason. I don't know why he says. There's some windows over there, some siding, other crap. He might be using it for another job or something. Who knows? Who knows with him? Who knows? I'm not throwing anything, Champion. My hands are busy, and I'm not going to redo these things. They're right in my hand. All right? And if I try to do anything with this phone, let me find a rock. See? You're going to pull it right out of me. I can't do that. Try and use this phone and hold these. I got to hold these. So you guys are just going to have to find something to do. I wonder if it must be cool on that tarp, huh? Must be cool. on the tarp. The riding lawnmower's right up there. Just mowed the lawn here a couple days ago. And he hasn't moved it from there. It's still there. One of his 5 lawnmowers. He's got some John Deere ones too. He just got a bunch of crap. Don't go in under there. Don't go under there. Champion, I'm not throwing anything. You may as well go do a constitution or something. Yeah, you're wanting me to throw something, aren't you? And I can't. I can't, buddy. Go find something to do. Go find something to do. You're panting like a son of a gun in this heat. You're panting like a son of a gun in this heat, aren't you? Yeah. Well, there's fresh water in the house for you. I should bring a bowl out here when I bring them out, but we don't stay out that long. I take them out about 4 times a day or so. A couple times at night. Every morning about 4 o'clock, we're up and out. And usually about midnight-ish, they go out. I'm not throwing anything, champion. I'm not throwing anything, dude. Look at your eyes just staring at me. Just staring at me. I'm going up here. These guys, Tsunami's still thinking about them cats. Now there goes champion. He's still trying to get me to throw something. See him? He's so playful. Where Tsunami's not all that playful. He's more of an investigator when he's out. And Jazz is pretty chilled out. When she comes out, she lays out a lot, waiting for me to pet her and stuff. But this one loves me to throw crap. And I've got no way to do that and hold this camera. Let's see if I can find a rock here. Here's one. We'll do this one. We'll do this one. That'll keep him busy for a second. Now, where's he going to take this one? There he goes to a spot, see? See his place he's got. He won't bring them to me. He will not bring them to me. Jazzy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Tsunami's just there chilling, waiting to try to go underneath it. Uh-oh, she senses something. She senses something. What are you sensing, girl? What are you sensing? Ow. What are you sensing? She's sensing something. She's around. Something out in there someplace. Something out there. Could be. I don't know what it could be. Anyways. They're over there still trying to get in underneath towards those cats. There might be even another critter under there. We got lots of critters that come around. Haven't seen any snakes lately. I don't know why. I love grabbing up the snakes. Dogs love them too. And there's turtles that come up here from one of the 2 ponds we got down there. My brother has 2 ponds, 100 acres of this crap. He loves it. He's West Virginia. He was born in West Virginia. We grew up a lot in West Virginia. He loves his country living. I love peaceful country living more so than cities, but it's, I don't know. I'm tired of New York again. I don't want to live in New York anymore. It's too expensive. I'd like to move to Kentucky if I could afford it. I'd love to move to Kentucky and get myself an acre of land for about $3,000. Maybe put a trailer on there or some kind of a cabin or something. Just a simple life, living mostly off grid. Make myself power generators and maybe solar. Some I would have electricity too, but I wouldn't be. I would use it for the major things only, for the most part. And I would be working gradually to get it off grid. At the beginning, it wouldn't be off grid. But as I can afford things, I would do it. But I haven't got the income to move or anything like that. I'm a Social Security retirement and $200 a month from the military. Served 8 years in the military, honorable discharge. I was a medical specialist. I'd have been right up there on the front lines if I was still in there and during this war. They would have me right up on the front lines. Champion, I'm not throwing anything else right now. This is a longer than usual video, but it's so peaceful out here. The dogs are behaving somewhat. They're not going crazy. Jazz is over there just chilling. And the guys are there. We're getting ready to go back in though. I'm downloading a bunch of channels and stuff on YouTube, so I haven't been streaming today. I will be streaming in a bit. Electroman_000 at Rumble, at Twitch, as well as at Kick. I will be live soon doing some music and working on my Discord. I've got a bunch of channels to add to the sponsored channels on my Discord, available for you to listen to or download. Tons of it. It's on the Discord Canary, Observatorium 4321, and Observatorium. 2 different Discords. The standard Discord is where I stream in. YouTube's, Reddit's, Twitter's, YouTube, Reddit, Twitter's. I got some TikToks, but I've stopped doing that. I've stopped that $10 a month. I'm trying to save money. And really not many people were involved with wanting to do that. But who knows? Hopefully someday I'll be able to save up enough to get out of this horrific state. I never really liked New York State too much. The Finger Lakes isn't a bad area. A lot of good hunting, a lot of good fishing in this area. A lot of Amish and Mennonites. But it's expensive to live in here. $1,200 for a studio apartment a month, plus utilities. That's just for a studio. 1-bedrooms are about, you can get some for $1,200 to $1,500 a month. I don't make that. I make about $900 a month total. $725 in my Social Security and $200 with military is about all I get. So I can't afford much after I pay my rent to my brother and my phone and my internet and $100 a month for food for my dogs. Ain't got much. Now you're tangling yourself up. Every day you do that. Good. You're smartened tonight. You're not doing it today. But you're welcome to join myself and my community if you choose to do so. Electroman_000 at Twitch, Kick, or Rumble. All three. I stream all three of them at the same time. Multi-stream. So take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay well. And we're going to be going in shortly. And I will be going live here soon. And this is a 15.5-minute video. So we're going to end now. Again, stay safe. Stay well. We all love you. And we will be back. Again, with Country Living and Dogs. Country Living and Dogs. My two of these are mine. Pit Bull, American Staffordshires. And then we got a Pit Bull Terrier here, Jazzy. So they enjoy each other. Now they're starting to get a little wild. I don't want them fighting. They start playing, then they get into a real fight. Mostly him. He's very short-tempered. Jazz they're trying to play, but Champion is the gentle one. He is the more emotional, and he really doesn't get into the fighting unless you're messing with me. Then he growls, and he will fight. They're very protective of me. They buy me all the time in my room, in our room, always with me. There goes these three. I'm going to get ready to get them in before they start playing and fighting with each other. It is really hot here. It's really hot, and it's a little breezy, though. It's a little breezy. They're floating around a little bit. There's something down there they're going after. I don't know what. Could be a snake. Could be a snake. I don't know. What are they doing? What are they doing? They're going after that tarp for some reason. What are you guys into? Is there a critter in there? Was there a snake in there? Maybe a corn snake. Or field snake, yard snake, law. Who knows? Who knows? So, we're going to be ending here soon. They're really active right now. I almost hate to take them in. It's a nice hot day. I'm enjoying. The wind blew that. I'm going to have to take care of that. My brother's got workers. Let them do it. If I move anything, he yells at me. So I try not to bother things. What are you doing? You're going right inside there. You went right inside there. They're over here. They're doing something. He's doing a constitution. But good, you've done a constitution. We can go in soon now. Not sure if Champion did or not. He's been busy playing, but they're wanting to go in them woods, and I'm not going to allow that. They love these. He's going to have a bonfire here sometime. I don't know when. Every so often, he has bonfires, and he invites the workers and their families and all that to come up.